Most people think making money is about working hard at a job, saving, or chasing the latest trends. But that's a small way of thinking. If you really want to build wealth, you need to change your mindset. Money isn't the goal. Money is the result. The result of solving big problems, creating real value, and doing something better than anyone else. Look at Tesla, SpaceX, or even PayPal. They weren't started because I wanted to get rich. They were started because I saw problems, huge problems, and decided to fix them. Electric cars were considered boring and inefficient. Space travel was stagnant, and nobody thought reusable rockets were possible. Online payments were slow and unreliable. I didn't start these companies by asking, how do I make money? I asked, how do I make things better? That's the key. If you focus only on money, you'll always be behind. But if you focus on solving real problems, the money will follow. The bigger the problem, the bigger the opportunity. Think about this. What is something frustrating in the world today? What's something people struggle with but accept as normal? That's where your opportunity is. If you can create something that makes life easier, faster, or better, people will pay for it. Not because you're selling, but because they need it. The world doesn't reward effort. It rewards results. You don't get paid for how hard you work. You get paid for the value you create. If you want financial freedom, stop thinking about money and start thinking about impact. Find a problem. Solve it better than anyone else. And money will no longer be something you chase. It will be something that chases you.